So we're doing shot challenge, right?
Good POV.
At 5 yards. 5 yards.
Yeah.
Damn. I ain't hit shit.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie, already
Get that money in through us, Monday to Sunday. So gang it till we rich, you can't be having too much fun days. This bitch all in the telly trying to eat me like a Sunday. Oh shit, don't let me catch you on that one way. Miss always high and we see you on that drop and get it. Say too much is not spinning out like 12 o'clock. If you never get it, you ain't never been on P. I mean on feet in that car, trying to get it, be on beat. Trying to make some back ends, Gennaro done hit the window. He ain't be on watch, he say nobody, that's the 10-4. Switch you up the whole crowd, trying to party, make their ass limbo. Man, gang got shit in sights like a motherfucking Kimbo. Nigga posted in that 2 and 4, nothing but extendo. You insurance, don't that whip because we fucking up your rental. Until this money shit get paid first, never fucking sack that 41 out on my wrist, so I can get your ass a second. Gang back to back inside the line, punching like we Tekken. No, this not regular juice, you know I had to slip the test. Oh, you ain't in here shaking ass, get the fuck about my second. Be with niggas chasing hoes, but never money, shit depressing.
Come on, let's see what it is.
Got a nigga leaning.
Got a
Switches in
buddy.
the cat, got
Got a
his bitch
buddy.
like gas in the motherfucking
Buddy.
trap. Times get all the dog shit sitting on the floor. This shit hit the sales, but I get an FM, but I ain't big. Look, try to tell them what the tap in this shit on the floor. I ain't even cashing out.
Yeah, tap in with Mr. Him, man.
That's
Mr. Him.
Match with the bowl.
Mr. Him?
Pipe up a bro, bitch.
Out now on all platforms? Always that so we're doing that shirt. You can shoot that. Hey, you gotta make
perks, they fall in love when the tip niggas will be on your team to start the air like Scottie Pippen. If you get put in the cuffs, then your lips should get the zipping. Never let them play with you, they act up to get the blicking. You say how much you should work, depends how much you wanna make. I got niggas making tens, cause they calling every day. Making life look like a movie, you can't put this shit on tape. And we never save a
calm down, buddy.
Calm down. No nigga hold me, pour two to a pour, then I raise it up to Kobe. I'ma fly out to the D, me Rooch, then hit the Coney. 9 bullet hit his chest, park his whip like he told me.
Rookie.
You tripping? I'm like, oh yeah, I hit 2 hands.
Alright, let's see. Let's see.
I can't hit 2 hands. Oh, right in the ear, nigga.
Nigga, you. Hold on.
Right in the fucking ear.
Hold on. Hold on. Right in the ear? This is ear, bro.
What are you talking about over here?
You did blow his shit out.
Blew his fucking
twice.
girl.
Blew that shit out twice, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. You did blow that shit out twice, though.
Nah, he got no girl. And that one.
Who the f does he think he is?
I think he's
you piece of
What?
Who do you think you are?
Huh?
Is that a good thing what he did or a bad thing?
No, that's a
Right in the fucking eye, nigga.
Yeah, nah, he really thinks he the shit now. Y'all boys.
What we doing?
So we're doing shot challenge, right? Whoever closest, what y'all wanna do? Whoever closest to the middle? Whoever 5.
Let's see. 5 shots. Who's close to the middle?
I'm so buzzed.
Buzz as fuck.
I knew I whipped one. It's crazy. Minus buzz though. What's your shit?
Damn.
Don't let Gennaro nigga. Jwettstars
V-Log.
They done got me back up in the game, man. I feel like Johnny Rocket. Hell yeah, I got the duet. You can tell just by my pocket. Tell the plug we locked, then I get it off like a socket. Off a 90-day grind, best believe we gon' pop it. Up in racks, acting stupid. Understand that just a movement. Like he ski up in the lab. Up in racks, I just do it. On that phone, I get it off. Pick my words, they too fluent. Told Brody pass me a pen, right down the pen. I can't lose it. Go to sleep, wake up. Now I'm back up in that mode. If you running low on breeze, you better go and catch that cold. My bitch bad, no ass until them jeans get on the floor. I lab, you been on fire for some days, but stop, drop, and roll. If the duet hit the hood, best believe we on a mission. Keep your grass cut, deposit check. I ain't tryna trick no more. Tell me how much for the sex. I got Gooch tryna beat down, asking how much for the Jwett. I am that nigga, call me Mr. Him. Make a 10 off a phone, then reset and switch to sim. No. A bad red bitch, saved in my phone right under the skin. If I say go hit that road, she gas up and get it in. I'm gone.
Damn. How you feel?
Mr. Him.
Mr. Demon. Autograph?
No.
Somebody get the at name for me.
Let me see.
They told Viz shoot up.
Is there already one in there? Turn off the fucking shit.
Last thing you remember? What? So it's strictly prohibited, alright? Swinging, bro. I hope I hit, bro.
You marked the hits before, right?
Yeah, I marked the other one. I right under Serg.
That's one.
Right next to Viz.
Two. Okay then.
Serg's the only nigga that hit the middle, bro. That nigga hit it right on the head.
Trying to fix my eye.
Why does a grown man?
Yeah, because your side is
I got expensive taste.
You ugly, man.
You made me blush.
What the fuck? You seen that? Oh, they trying to get you, bro.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
It only take one fucking code just to log up, and I only need 2 fucking minutes just to clean it out. Already got the bands, money when I'm about to be my keep your bitch poppin' zest. Told you I never seen a hobby watching, asking how much blood I'm making, what's my cash.
You know who won that round?
Make that shit shake, see what that ass about.
I know who won. I know who won that
Xbox on the block, watching 360. If you tryna make some rent money, get up with me. If I sing a 5 to your bank, you getting 150. Sliding in the renty, thinking about Ryan and Jitneys. Bad bitch, give a dick, screaming like Whitney. New Mary denim and I'm skinny, so you know it fit me. When I made my first 5 racks, I had an epiphany. I knew that hustling for them racks was just built in me.